is the ArrowOS Android version here is 11. The security patch level we get here is the latest to 5th of January 2022, and the kernel here is the Stormbreaker kernel. Now going back, this is the settings page. Like after coming from the Android 12, I'm just not liking this Android 11 design, but the overall performance of this ROM here is just great. No lags and stutters or issues. Everything so far here is running perfectly fine. So there are few bugs present, so watch the video till the end to know that. So first of all, going to the settings, there are not a lot of customizations available here in this ROM, but first of all, going to system, these are the options, and we also get to see the operator. Currently there are no updates available, but in future we will get to see the OTA updates in this ROM. Now moving back, customizations options are very limited. So here are the gestures option, the quickly open camera, activate the torch, and the system navigation. So these are the gestures available. And moving to the buttons customization, these are the options: advanced, restart, and the power menu. That's it. Now moving back, going to the security here, all the options we get to see here. There are no options missing out. Face unlock here is working, fingerprint here is working, as you can see. Fingerprint scanner here is working perfectly fine, but I'm missing the Android 12 unlocking animation a lot in this ROM. So yeah, the app locker here is also available. Now moving to the sound and vibration, everything here is just the same, nothing is new. Display options, these are the options. The styles and wallpapers, these are the options. The styles, grid, wallpaper, and the clock, these are all the clock styles available. In the 120Hz display here is smooth, is working perfectly fine. Going to the battery here, the battery backup on this ROM here is really good. Like it's not that great, but it's good. Here from 100% to 22% battery drain, I got almost 5 hours of screen on time, which is at 120Hz. So at 120Hz it's good for the 80% battery health. And to charge from 14% to 78%, it took 1 hour 15 minutes, almost 1 hour 15 minutes. So the charging time here are a bit too long, but the battery backup here in my opinion is good for me at 120Hz. Now moving to the home screen, this is the UI. This is the UI of the quick settings. Here everything is working. The Wi-Fi, mobile data, everything is working fine. Nearby share, everything. Talking about the camera here, the default cam we get here is the Google Camera Go version, which is just the normal, and the Gcam here is also working perfectly fine, so no issues. Now talking about the calls, the call quality here is good. Wi-Fi calling, everything here is working fine. And talking about the safe performance here, the Geekbench scores. So here are the scores: 1441 and 1341. So the scores are average compared to the other ROMs, but the overall performance here is smooth and there are no lags or stutters. Everything just works fluid and fine. And gaming performance here is also just great. No issues with the gaming performance too. Everything just works flawlessly and smooth. Talking about the safety net status here, there is a bug. Here currently it is showing safety net status failed, but all the banking apps are running perfectly fine. The Google Pay here is working fine, Paytm is working, and all the other banking apps are running perfectly fine, so no worries. Then talking about the DRM info, we get to see the Widevine L1 security level, so no issues. All the HD playback here is working in Netflix, everything. So this was it for the ROM. Now talking about the bugs, like when I flashed the ROM, I was facing this bug, like the gesture bar was just not working. It has happened 3 to 4 times. I'm using this ROM from around 10 days now, and everything here is so far working fine, but when I flashed the ROM at that time, the gesture bar was just not working. So this was the bug I had faced. Otherwise everything here is working perfectly fine. Lock screen, calls, Wi-Fi, headphone jack, the Bluetooth audio, everything here is working fine, so no issues with that. So yeah, that is it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and bye.